Let's see how gyro in Portal is.
Welcome to test chamber 4. You're doing quite well.
So what we see here is like a little drift, but if we go up, we go up. If we turn left, we turn left, and the other way around. So how to fix that? Therefore, we should lie it on a flat surface, and we see it is drifting. This means we have to go out of the game to settings, controller, calibration advanced, and here we go for calibrate. And we are back in the game, and now we should not have a drift. So now if I loose it up, so now we have this wobbling effect. If I turn it up, I looking up, and if I turn it down, I turn it down, left and right. And if I put it on the surface, we should look at the bottom. So this is correct. So now, holding it, we can see how the setup should be. So we have the standard X, Y and Z, not inverted, is the default for this particular device.